everyone, it's Davita with WTI. Do you suffer from dark circles under your eyes? If you do, you really need to try out this peach concealer. This is the one by LA Girls, and this is their Pro Conceal. What I love about this color correcting concealer is that it really covers up dark circles so well. So if you're like me and I don't know, I'm just genetically prone to dark circles under my eyes, and I don't particularly enjoy them. So if you want to cover those up, then this is a really great way to do so. What I really like is the texture of this. You get a lot of product in this small tube here, and you don't need very much. With just a very small amount of this concealer, it goes quite a long way, especially because it's so pigmented. You'll find that you only need a little bit to conceal under your eyes. Don't be afraid of the color. It is very bright. Once you blend it in with your makeup sponge, honestly, it's so simple. I put my foundation on top. You can even put another lighter concealer on top, and it blends out so perfectly you won't even tell you're wearing any color orange under your eyes. I love how well this product works, and honestly, for the price, you cannot beat it. So I would highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.